Good morning children. Welcome to today's class. How was your TP? All of you study well and you can call me anytime to clarify your doubts. Television screen, an envelope or a canvas are all example of a quadrilateral. The word quadrilateral has two parts. Quadri means four and lateral means sides. If you observe, you can see that all these things have four sides. This is an example of a quadrilateral. To name the quadrilateral, we have to name these 4 points. We call them A, B, C and D. These things that which is named are called vertices. A quadrilateral will always have 4 vertices. Each point is called vertex. A quadrilateral has 4 sides. Here the 4 sides are AB, BC, CD and DA. Hence, every quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 vertices. If I draw a quadrilateral on a table, you can see that all the 4 vertices and the sides lie on one plane surface. So, a quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 vertices and it lie on one plane. Observe that a vertex is formed when 2 sides meet at a point. The region formed between 2 sides is called an angle. This is an angle of quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is also defined by its 4 angles. Apart from the angle that we marked, this one and this one is the other angles. These are the 4 angles in a quadrilateral. We can name this angle as angle A. We named it on the basis of the vertex at which it is formed. But a better way to name this angle as angle DAB or angle BAD, because this angle lies between the sides AB and AD. Similarly, this angle is angle ABC. This one is angle BCD and this one is angle CDA. Next basic concept is consider the vertices A and C. They lie opposite to each other. And the vertices B and D also lie opposite to each other. The line joining opposite vertices are called diagonals. Here AC and BD are the diagonals. Next concept. Consider the term adjacent, which means next to each other. അതായത് അടുത്തടുത്ത. In a quadrilateral, angles or vertex or sides are next to each other. Opposite means not next to each other. അതായത് അടുത്തടുത്തല്ലാത്തത്. We can first discuss about sides of quadrilateral which are adjacent. We can say that AB and BC are adjacent. Similarly, CD and CB are adjacent. These two sides and these two sides are also adjacent. If you observe, you can see that each of these pair have a common vertex B and here C. അതായത് എല്ലാ അഡ്ജസന്റ് സൈഡ്സിനും ഒരു കോമൺ വെർട്ടെക്സ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈഡ്സ്. വൺ പെയർ ഓഫ് ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈഡ്സ് ഈസ് AB and CD. Another pair is AD and BC. In a quadrilateral, only two pairs of opposite sides. Opposite sides-ന് common vertex ഒന്നും ഉണ്ടാകുകയില്ല. Next, we can talk about angles. First, adjacent angles. അതായത് അടുത്തടുത്ത angles. Here, angle ABC and angle BCD are adjacent angles. Similarly, angle CDA and angle BAD are adjacent. Did you notice what is common in adjacent angles? Yes, they lie on common side. Here, angle ABC and angle BCD have BC as common side. Here, AD as common side. Next, opposite angles. We have only two pairs of opposite angles. They are angle BCD and angle DAB. Next, angle ABC and angle CDA. They have no common side. No need to by heart all these things. You just understand what is the meaning of adjacent and opposite. Next, consider the table as a plane surface. Draw a quadrilateral on the top of it. Then, green color inside is the interior portion. Blue color outside is the exterior portion. And red color on the boundary is the portion on the quadrilateral. I hope all of you understand. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.